everyone, it's Sherry. I hope that you're having a wonderful day. Welcome to the very first Super Simple Sunday of 2022. Stay tuned. Welcome to my channel, everyone, and Happy New Year. I am so glad that you are choosing to spend the first Sunday of the new year with me. So I promise, today is going to be super simple and quick, under 5 minutes. Y'all know how I'm always talking about any season, any reason, any gender. That's today's Super Simple Sunday craft/tip. These beautiful round bucket bags were made for Christmas, but we made them using a non-traditional paper. I am going to show you very quickly how we're going to take this bag and move it away from Christmas to celebrate something else. Any season, any reason, any gender. So let's make it. All right, y'all. So here are those two wonderful bags that we made for Christmas. We used a non-traditional print, and this print is called Bandana, and it's from Hobby Lobby's Paper Studio. It is not your ordinary Christmas print, but because we had the red, white, and black, this works for Christmas. But you know what else? When I'm talking about any season, any reason, any gender, well, I'm about to show you what I mean and how we can make that happen. Just because we have this bag themed and decorated for Christmas does not mean that we can't make it into another occasion bag. With a very simple change, we are going to take this bag from being a Christmas bag to being a Valentine's bag that you can give to someone for Valentine's Day. So all I'm going to do is remove this tag, and now we have our beautiful bag, but it is not themed for Christmas at all. And so what I've done here is I have a 3x4 cut apart for Valentine's Day. I added a white border to the back, so I used 3.5 by 4.5 to give myself this border on the back of this 3x4 cut apart. Then I used some very simple foam stickers from the Dollar Tree to add a little bling to the end. So when we take this and we tie it, just like we did the other, we have now taken that bag and transformed it from Christmas to Valentine's Day simply by changing the embellishment. In this case, we didn't need to change the paper at all because this is already a gender neutral paper. It is also occasion neutral. So we are able to just change that embellishment and we move it from the Christmas season to the Valentine season. So this is the perfect super simple craft because we're taking what we already made and we are repurposing it into what we need it to be right now. So guys, I hope that you have enjoyed this fun, quick, super simple Sunday craft. We are basically taking this bag from being Christmas to Valentine's Day with the change of an embellishment. I hope you've enjoyed our first super simple Sunday craft of 2022. If you have, please hit that like button. If you are not a subscriber to my channel, I'd love to have you join this amazing online crafting family. You guys, as always, please be safe, be kind, happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.